Hey everybody, welcome back to Highlights at Home. You know, the sun makes such a difference in our plans and in our mood, right? Wherever you are today, I hope the sun is shining on you and your family. In this new pack-up of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources, we are showing the sun some love. The puzzles, stories, activity ideas in this new collection all have the theme Celebrate the Sun, and we hope you do. Maybe you'll get in the backyard and work in the garden or have a picnic or maybe take a nature hike. If you need more ideas of fun things to do with the family, this theme is easily extendable. If you have kids who are interested in science or space, for example, you might have them research the sun, the nearest star to our planet. A good source of information is stardate.org. If you have children who are interested in art, they will enjoy making the sun catcher that we've included in this bundle. Or they might just want to paint the sun as they see it, so be sure to have a lot of yellow and orange and maybe blue paint handy. If you have kids who enjoy creative writing, encourage them to write a story anthropomorphizing the sun, or maybe seeing how many similes they can create, finishing the sentence, "The sun is like a..." Kids who like to read might enjoy reading some of the folk tales about the sun or some of the mythology about the sun. If you have kids who like music, encourage them to put together a new playlist for the family using songs that have sun or sunshine in the lyrics. There are a surprising number of them, and they're all very upbeat and cheerful. And go outside and have another dance party. If you have kids who like to cook, this is a great theme for teaching them how to make breakfast eggs sunny side up. You can also use this theme to open up conversations about optimism. Do your kids know what it means to say that someone has a sunny disposition? Or do they know what it means if someone is described as a ray of sunshine? Sometimes the best way to seize the day is to just bask in the sun, and we hope you do. I'll see you in a few days with more free resources from Highlights. In the meantime, stay healthy and stay hopeful.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.